Is Google going to continue its run or is it going to consolidate and process gains? We'll tell you right after this 30-second clip on our educational service Clarity. If you like our videos, you're going to love Clarity. Stick around for the Google breakdown right after this. This clip is a supplement to Clarity, our weekly educational service. Each week, we break down the hottest trades with a top-down view of the sector and related peers. Then we do a deep dive into our spotlight, our featured analysis using the institutional business cycle. As our guide, every issue includes bullish and bearish scenario, as well as trade considerations for all of the charts that we covered. It's not investment advice, but it's how we would handle trades if we were in them. If you like our videos, you're going to love Clarity. There's a QR code up in a second that'll get you 10% off. See you back here on the Trading Couch next. This week in Clarity, we spotlighted Google and took a really close look at late cycle markets and how the best entries usually come from being patient, good time not to chase. So we talked about having a system set up to make sure that it favors patience and not chasing. So it forces you to be patient. We call it buying C's, and we're going to run through that in this video. It's a period where a lot of traders get in trouble because they get trapped. They see a strong trend and they see a pullback and they want to force that first bounce. But in mature campaigns, it usually pays to be a little more patient because institutions are looking to manage gains and reset sentiment and rebuild their positions at the lowest possible cost that they can. That's their business.